Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Intex Easy Set Pool. First, select a perfectly level spot in your yard, free from any rocks or sharp objects. This ensures the pool's stability and prevents damage. Next, spread out the durable ground cloth provided, which offers an extra layer of protection for the pool's bottom. This crucial step helps prevent punctures and extends the life of your pool. Now, carefully unfold the pool liner in the center of your prepared ground cloth, making sure the drain plug is securely closed. Take your time to spread it out evenly, smoothing out any wrinkles. Then, using an air pump, inflate the top ring until it feels firm to the touch, but not overinflated. This ring provides the structure as the pool fills with water. Once the top ring is inflated, you can start filling your pool with water using a standard garden hose. As the water level slowly rises, gently smooth out any remaining wrinkles in the bottom of the liner, working from the center outwards. Continue filling until the water reaches the inflation line, which is typically just below the top ring. This ensures proper pool shape and stability. With your pool filled, it's time for the final touches. Connect your filter pump system, following the manufacturer's instructions carefully to keep your water clean and clear. Add the recommended pool chemicals to maintain proper water balance and sanitation. Remember to regularly check and clean your filter cartridge to ensure efficient operation and a sparkling clean swimming experience all season long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.